Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact build and enabling mods or console support so you can reliably trigger badge conditions. This avoids unpredictable behavior. Once done, back up your save and record which badges remain so you don't retrace steps. Then, immediately load the map used for spawning the required entities and prioritize badges that require persistent world state. Focus on one objective at a time. Make sure to note timings for event windows and prepare any tools that manipulate spawn or time to speed progress. Once the environment is prepared, execute the exact sequences. Trigger event A, then immediately follow with B inside the 30-second window to flag the badge. You must manipulate NPC pathing and use safe respawn points so world flags stick, otherwise progress resets. Maintain a steady rhythm. Apply a short delay between checks, reposition to bait pathing, and repeat until flags register. If you need to chain multiple badges, alternate objectives to avoid conflicting world state changes, and save after every confirmed flag. You finish by consolidating all flagged conditions and returning to the awarding NPC or badge menu to claim each badge. Do this one at a time so you can confirm success. If a badge fails to appear, immediately reload the prior backup and redo only the specific trigger. This minimizes lost progress. One key troubleshooting tip: log the precise order and timing you used. When things go wrong, replicate the successful sequence step for step and adjust delays by small increments until the system reliably grants the badge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.